All right, everyone, so let's practice our breathing, and not just our regular breathing, but our special kinds of breathing. So first we're going to do earth breathing, which is belly breathing. It connects us to the earth. So everybody take your hands, put them on your belly, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a big belly breath in, and as you breathe in, I want you to push your belly out as far as you can, just like I can. I ate a lot of pizza and a lot of ice cream so that you kids could see a big belly so that you can make sure that you do this the right way. So make it count. All right, so I'm going to turn myself over to the side, and everybody first breathe in with your nose or your mouth and make your belly big. So ready? Watch. Nice. Now my belly's nice and big, full of air, and now I'm going to breathe out, and I'm going to pull my belly in. Just try your best. Breathe out. Good. And breathe in. In. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good job. You can practice this belly breathing at home, at school, or whenever you want to feel calm and you want to feel safe. Have a good time. I love my belly breathing. Let's do one more. Breathe in and breathe out. Oh, did I fall asleep? I'm sorry. I love the breathing so much it makes me so...